Drop Cowboy offers the premier cloud-based all-in-one ringless voicemail and text marketing solution for businesses and sales organizations of any size. Deliver voicemail and text messages directly to your customer base in bulk, anywhere in the world, without the need for cold calling or other more costly forms of direct marketing. Drop Cowboy provides all the tools you need to nurture your existing business relationships while supercharging your lead generation and sales process. Contacting your customers has never been easier. Simply drag and drop your client list directly into Drop Cowboy's easy-to-use interface, record your voicemail, or type your SMS content. Then schedule when and how many messages you want to deliver per hour. Drop Cowboy does the rest. Your customers can optionally call or text you back. And with Drop Cowboy's automated virtual assistant, you can forward calls to your phone, let your customers leave you a message, or even automatically respond to text messages. Drop Cowboy's web portal provides detailed analytics and reports about the contacts that received your messages and which of them called or texted you back. Whether you're sending 50 messages a month or millions of messages, we have a pricing plan to fit your needs. If you need help, Drop Cowboy provides some of the best and most friendly customer service in the industry. Call or chat with us today to see how you can supercharge your voicemail and messaging campaigns. No contracts, no commitments, and cancel anytime. Drop Cowboy.